Guys, happy new year. Can you believe it, guys? We made it.
Clap that.
So I just want to give the Lord thanks. Give him all the praises because
I was not
he did hard.
Melissa
Just so much of the one place. I'm gone. And we lost a couple family members.
Yeah,
we did have it wrong.
And it teach me they like get closer to one another. You know, drop everything away and do a little bit, focus on one another, you know, emotionally wise, mentally, physically. So, you know, it really teaches us that also. Little things matter.
Yeah, you know, all of those stuff happened. We try to build our bond more closer.
Yeah.
So yeah, we lost. First thing first, we lost our brother.
Yeah.
It's been
devastating.
Very hard. I lost a lady that she took care of me from I was so young. My adopted grandmother. She called me her adopted granddaughter. I lost her. I mean, my heart was broken. 2025.
So much was happening at once.
Yeah.
You know, we have a woman that was that sick, you know, people go through stuff, and then you know, now everybody come together, drop everything, and just do the same family and try to figure out and understand each other. So everything is coming along for 2026. So just hopefully and willingly we just keep the bond and grow with each other.
Yeah.
That's right. She never ever said not yet. I would say love laugh, guys. I see.
Yeah, she is skin with for everything.
Every single thing. I don't know why. I'm just put my laugh and I see the details of that.
Yeah, guys.
But then I said nothing to me. There, you know, 2026 anniversary.
Yeah, my love.
Yeah, my love. That scene. Grow with my nephews. They're so cute. And I'm so glad to be at home. You know, seeing them grow and very nice. Guys, subscribe for sure because if you only watch, the only way and help us is by subscribing. Press that notification bell to get notified anytime she drop a new video. Yes. Yeah.
Anything them say, that's enough to do. Anyway, so let's get into this vlog, guys. Good morning, guys. It's a girl, Akima, and what time is it? It's 8 o'clock on the dot. I just dropped my kids off to school, and why the man here look at me? I just dropped my kids off to school, and now I am on my way to the bank because I don't know why I was logging in and it wasn't going through and they blocked me. So now I'm going by the bank to rectify that, and then I'm going grocery shopping. Then I'm going down to my old high school to pick up a certificate that I want, and then what else am I doing today? Guys, I just remember the last thing that I have to do, okay? Not mind me, my head. Anyway, I have to go by a store, right? To buy some tops. Guys, tell me why. Looking for clothes, me can't find no blouse with sleeve. Like, what the hell? I want no man. Me need to do better. Be a sleeveless. Be a belly skin. Like, girl. No. Why? Like, what? So yeah, I'm going by a store. Yeah, to find some tops with sleeves, some appropriate tops, because this could never be. Anyways, I just left the bank. I stopped on the mall, Portmore Mall, to get breakfast. Tally codes, good. To get breakfast and juice, water. So I'm still gonna eat, and then I go by the supermarket because it's just right around the corner, right around there. And yeah. By the way, my friend them can't tell you, you know. You see, if them have the secret or nothing for tell me, once we talk about it here, so, and we move and we don't talk, trust me, as I move off, I not remember nothing. Like literally, me not remember no. My friend them secret save with me because I literally not remember nothing, like something wrong. Like, for that joke aside, I need to check it out. Like, me easily forgot things, and like that's weird. Guys, I reached the supermarket. Yeah, so I took up some stuff. I have some more stuff that I want to get. So yeah. Seasonings. Oh, you know, so I want a curry. I want a curry. I eat Indian curry. What the hell? Why did my beast man on the shelf? I eat Indian curry. Want a curry powder. I want a better pot curry though. I need a better pot curry. Okay, let's see if them have better pot curry around here. So, guys, I know so from how they feel for stoopies, like for real. I really feel for stoopies from how they. Oh, so them here, guys. What better pot them there? This a black pepper. That one was like Indian curry that. Here they are, guys. Better pack. Here we go. This one. This is what I want. Oh, I cleared everything already? I thought this was my last payment. In 10 days I'm reviewing. Guess what? I am leaving for like all the short-term policy go itself. We can get 1 month, 2 months. Oh. So you may come back to. Oh. So when the 10th me just come back and. Alright, thanks. Yeah. The car won't wash, Jesus Christ. The car won't wash, dirty bad. Guys, I finally reached my school. Remember, I telling them from yesterday I was supposed to be here. I was supposed to come down here, I didn't get to, so I'm here today. Oh my god, guys, it's been so many years I haven't stepped foot in my high school. Oh my god, guys, I don't even understand the excitement right now. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. Hi guys. This wasn't the uniform that we wore in my days. They changed the uniform. That's the talk shop. It's up there. This is the drama room, guys. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Give me an high five. High five. Good girl. Hey guys, I am back another day. I am so excited for today because I'm going to meet up with two of my childhood friends from high school days. I am so excited because I haven't seen them in like 13-14 years. It's been that long, so I cannot wait. Hey girl! Why do you want to throw me down?
It was a plan, I promise
a plan.
you. We're just outside.
Yeah.
How do I turn the camera around? Oh wait, let's sit here.
Girl, I'm so excited for soon. Like,
Oh my.
You're gonna tell Gary? Let me see the box.
From school days too.
you know that?
Yes.
You know them things that come on.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's been so long.
More love that yeah.
Hey guys, I am Okima.
And I'm the share.
And I am okay.
And we are the Supreme. No demonic words profound.
Yeah. In the spirit
You
of.
sing holy, someone holy. Yeah. Show yourself, show yourself.
I know the peace speaker. He controls the winds and waves. When he says peace, be still, they have to obey. I'm glad I know the peace speaker. Yes, I know him by name. My dear, you know how long I'm gonna sing?
But this is so
But
good.
sound good though.
Yeah. But we need, no, I need my notes. No,
Ready?
but even though you're still so good.
So we're gonna do another song, guys.
Uh-huh.
This is high school. This is high school. This is from high school, guys. This is Akima. This is UK. This is UK. And how many songs is this one? How many songs are? How many songs are?
Are you normally?
No.
Yes, I want
Melody. Alright, go on melody.
Come just as you are, everlasting strength for today.
Taste with water.
Taste the living water
And never thirst.
and never thirst again. Oh, the glory. We worship you, oh Lord. You are we worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. Call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, all the stories been told. Call me anytime, never come down.
Thinking of is either nursing or administrator.
I studied politics, so
I work in the.
Happy birthday.
No, it's not my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ricky, can you stop? Girl, I ordered before her, so she get ice cream for me. I took that.
Go ahead, take a picture.
Where have you been?
Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody don't love me quite like you. Can't even deny. Every time I try, when I look in my eyes, I know I'm lying, lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I never felt love like this again. You made for me. You made for. You made for.
Hey, 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 hey. Guys, look at the sunset. It's so pretty. I want it to zoom in. I'm not going to zoom in. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my god.
So we're taking our leave, guys. Bye. To me, I care.
Love you guys.
Love
Oh
you
my
too,
god.
girl. Bye. It's just so crazy all of it in a white.
White. We don't know all the world.
We never plan. We never plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never miss a no.
Right? We have to link up. We don't know where.
I'ma show you how to get it to go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Juicy slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a swing, cause we spun it block a couple times. If it's not the right time,
Oh my god, why?
time, I ain't even tripping with the see 'em in the summertime.
Don't move. Stop. Relax.
If I'm over, shake each other.
Relax.
Tonight, Saturday night, fun factor. We hear one for no. Let me tell you something, I checked up the other day. Yeah. She go up here, don't worry. Not bad, so I'm making it work. Now I'm picking up credit for my past. I'm a whole different person. It's the gift and the curse, but I can't reverse it. I can't reverse it. It was a gift and a curse, and I'm drinking too much, so I'm on top of the slump. Last time I saw you, ain't in the blood. Show you all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up at your own way.